Cincy Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think dropshipping is easy money, but you won't believe what happens next when supplier problems hit your store. Cincy is a global dropshipping and wholesale marketplace that connects online store owners with verified suppliers from the US, Europe, and other regions. It integrates with popular e-commerce platforms and lets you import products directly into your store. The surprising truth about Cincy is that it focuses heavily on high-quality, branded, and locally shipped products instead of low-cost overseas items. This means faster delivery times and fewer angry customers. But most people get this wrong. They assume dropshipping automatically means high profit margins. In reality, Cincy products often cost more than generic imports, which can reduce margins if your pricing strategy is weak. Cincy allows automated product updates, meaning stock levels and prices sync with your suppliers. This prevents selling out of stock items, which is one of the biggest beginner mistakes in dropshipping. You can filter suppliers by country, delivery time, and wholesale or dropshipping options. Cincy is best for store owners who want reliability, faster shipping, and better customer satisfaction over rock-bottom prices. The surprising truth is that consistent delivery builds long-term brand trust. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce reviews that help you build real online businesses.